For this week's quick recipe, we'll be making Claire's chicken and lemongrass dumplings. To start, add flour, salt and water to a bowl and mix together into a firm dough. Cover and put aside to rest. For the filling, roughly chop lemongrass, ginger, add some sesame oil, fish sauce, brown sugar and lime juice. Blend all ingredients until smooth and pour over chicken mince. Chop spring onions and coriander, add them to the mince and mix thoroughly. On a floured surface, knead the dough for a while, then gather into a ball and pierce through the middle with your thumb. Using both hands, work your way round the donut, pulling it through to get an even thickness. Break off pieces of the dough, shape into balls, and then roll into small circles with a rolling pin. Add a spoonful of filling to the wrapper, pinch it closed in the middle, and pleat the sides in one at a time. Fry the dumplings in a little oil until the bottoms are brown and crispy, then add water and cover to steam the tops. Serve with soy sauce for dipping and a side. We recommend Claire's Quick Pao Thai, pickled vegetables.